Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we got an interesting topic at hand, and we're going to be talking about Nikola's false advertisement, whatever you might want to call it. But this article on Electric is saying that Nikola admits to faking video of driving prototype in their commercial, their little advertisement thing. So let's dive deep into this, give our thoughts, and see what's going on. So it says Nikola has issued somewhat of a weak response to the allegations made in a recent report, and that's probably because they're true. Nikola is currently in hot water after a recent report made several allegations exposing deceptions by Nikola and its founder, Trevor Milton, including several claims corroborated, never even said that word before, in previous reports from Electric. So this morning, Nikola has issued a full response to the report, and the company seems to be skating around the claims more than denying them. So usually when there's claims made to a company and they're bad, the company likes to address it head on and make sure that those aren't true. Because when there's claims being falsified on your company, especially if it's bad, you want to make sure your reputation is holding up really nicely. You don't want your reputation to go down, especially for fake rumors. So with this article, it's saying that Nikola is trying to avoid kind of the allegations, which kind of signifies that it could be true. So let's look at this video real quick by Nikola. Guess it's really Nikola. Let's turn this down for copyright. So now I'm hearing that they literally just, this isn't even, is that a truck? Oh, I guess so. So I'm hearing that they just literally just rode down the truck down this little highway. They didn't even have anything like inside of it. And I also saw that they said it was true. So looking at this, it seems like stuff is missing. They gave an example of the inverter in the truck's powertrain, which Milton clearly claimed was developed in-house when giving a video tour of the truck's powertrain. The inverter was missing with masking tape. So there's obviously some missing parts and more videos, most likely showing that stuff is missing. Now it seems like it's all been like an act. So this makes sense because when you don't even have a product, you don't have anything to show, but people want to get the hype up, so they might do some commercial mischief. You know how that is in Hollywood to do all this type of advertisement, just like when there's a McDonald's commercial and then they do little sprays on the burgers to make them look all juicy. There's so many tricks you could do, especially with videos. So who knows if this is actually true, but they're claiming to show all these pictures and stuff, and Electric usually is pretty accurate in what they're talking about. So that's probably why the stock has been going down recently. If you're thinking about investing in Nikola, you might want to do a little bit more research in that. I'm not saying it's good, I'm not saying it's bad, but it is a little fishy to see all this stuff. The truck does look good though, but even though it looks good, it has to perform. That's the main thing. Companies aren't going to be buying all these trucks because it looks good. They're going to be buying them based off of performance, especially when you're in the semi-industry. You're in it for the business. So if you like this article, or if you guys like electric vehicles, tech, money, don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Comment down below what you think about Nikola Motors. Are you invested? Do you want to see them succeed? Do you want to see them fail? Let me know in the comments down below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.